Okay, question is, at what time between 8 and 9 o'clock will the hands of a clock be in same straight line but not together? In an hour, a straight line can be formed in two ways. If the long hand is on the same line where short hand is, then also it forms straight line. For example, like this. Another way is in opposite direction. If the long hand is somewhere here, then it forms straight line. In the problem it is already mentioned that they should not be together. It means we want long hand should be in opposite direction. When both short hand and long hand are in opposite direction, it forms a straight line. When they form straight line, angle between them will be 180 degrees. We need to identify at what time they form straight line. We can solve this problem using formula. To find an angle between long hand and short hand, formula is mod 30h minus 11 by 2m. When they form straight line, angle will be 180. Let's substitute. 30 into h means hours. Here 8 is the hour and 11 by 2m is equal to 180. And here minutes is what we need to identify. And 30 into 8 is 240 minus 11 by 2m is equal to 180. 11 by 2m is equal to 240 minus 180. It will be 60. And m is equal to 60 into 2 by 11. It is 120 by 11. We can write this as 10 and 10 by 11. So answer is at 8 hours 10 and 10 by 11 minutes, long hand and short hand will form straight line. Okay, next question. At what time between 7 and 8 o'clock will the hands of a clock be in same straight line but not together? Because they should not be together, it means the long hand and short hand should be in opposite direction. And it will be something like this. When they form straight line, angle between them will be 180 degrees. Now we need to identify at what time they form straight line. And we know that to find angle between long hand and short hand, formula is mod 30h minus 11 by 2m. When they form straight line, angle will be 180. Let's substitute. 30 into hour. Hour is 7 minus 11 by 2m. m is what we need to identify. m means minutes. 30 into 7 is 210 minus 11 by 2m is equal to 180. And 11 by 2m is equal to 210 minus 180, which is nothing but 30. And m is equal to 30 into 2 by 11. It is 60 by 11. We can write this as 5 and 5 by 11. So the answer is at 7 hours 5 and 5 by 11 minutes, long hand and short hand will form straight line.